Hi, welcome to the Phrase Strings demo session. I'm Vitomir, a product manager here at Phrase, and today I'll show you how to save time and effort using automation for job creation in strings. So what is automate job creation and why did we build it? I want you to imagine this. You upload new content, and just like that, an automation finds the right keys, sets up the languages and assignees, starts the job in seconds, no manual setup, no back and forth, just done. That's the power of automate job creation. It's built to speed things up, to reduce errors, and to give you back valuable time. Now let me show you how this works. I'm going to go to the global jobs, and here we added this tab, which actually lists all the current automations which are in place, and you can always find them here and manage and add new ones. Let's click this button to submit a new one. Gonna name this like new automation. I know, highly original. We're gonna select the project. I have project just prepared for this. It's completely empty, but it has its own job template. You can also select job template here, so you use the presettings on the jobs. So I'm going to use auto job template with its own settings of the people, translators, reviewers, the job briefing, everything. Furthermore, you can select what kind of status of keys you want to listen. Let's use unverified and untranslated for this purpose. You can also select custom tags from this particular project if you want to scope these keys further. The last point is selecting the trigger. You can select uploads or you can select a schedule. If you select schedule, you can further select the frequency every hour, every day, every week. If you select a day, you can of course select a particular time of the day and also the time zone. For this demo purpose, I'm going to use uploads, and what's important for you to understand that by default, system will exclude any keys which are part of the ongoing jobs. So you don't create duplication on new jobs. So I'll set this upload as the trigger. I'm going to save this. Now what's quite important here, once this is submitted, I want to actually start this automation. So I'm going to use the start automation option. This is still a manual step because we need to confirm all the setup is correct. So once the automation is started, the system starts listening to the project. Let's go to the project. This is the project we were talking about. I'm going to go to the languages. I'm going to actually initiate the first upload. I have prepared a file of 100 keys, which half of these are actually untranslated, so it should work. Let's submit this. So you can see we have lots of keys. We have 4 different languages where English is source. I'm going to import this. Yes, we see that we have 200 translation created, 100 keys. I received a notification that a job for project automation test project was created by this job automation. I can go to the jobs and let's see. Yes, this is the job I just created. It has 50 keys, 50 untranslated keys, which are eligible for this job. You can see it's already started. We can see that we have also all the languages there. We have the keys there, and we have the team assigned. So that's it. That's cool, right? And here's the best part. If your TMS project is connected to strings and you did this setup beforehand, this job is also automatically created in your TMS. So it's end-to-end automation in just minutes. So how cool is that? This feature is available on high legacy plans and business and enterprise new plans. It's accessible by admins and by project managers. We also plan to add lots of new things here. So add the form. We're going to add options to auto-detect eligible languages. We're going to add option to set a minimum key count per project so you don't create a very small batches of translation. We also plan to integrate the language AI, TMS project selection, LSP partners like Django and TextMaster, and much more, right? So this is only a beginning, and I hope you will stay with us on this journey. And I hope this gave you a clear picture of what is the potential of the automation job creation and how it can save you time every day. That is all for now. Keep on phrasing.